Very few things in life are more dangerous than working on an active construction site. There's always lots going on, and there's usually a rush to get the work done. When companies cut corners in their safety protocols, people get hurt. Thousands of construction workers deal with serious injuries or even death each year. My office appreciates the dangers that hardworking people face when they have a job in the construction industry. We know the impact the injury has on the individual and his family. We are committed to holding all responsible parties accountable to get you the maximum compensation the law allows. Call us today and let us help you.